I'm gonna show you how sensitive this thing is. Look, just with the wind. I have a new scale, Arboleaf. Comes with a USB-C cable, instructions, and it's white. So the first thing we gotta do is we need to charge our scale with the provided cable. Just plug it in, leave it charge for a couple hours. Now, in experience with these scales, batteries last for months, 2 or 3 months, and then you can recharge again. So I use this, this is a food scale, but I use it for shipping purposes, for small packages. Now you have the units here in milliliters, ounces, pounds and ounces, grams and milliliters. Now you can go to Google Play and download the app Food Diet, and it's Bluetooth, so it's connected already. And also you can change the units here. See how it changes? And same in here at the same time. So I set it in pounds and ounces, and I have a small package, so it covers the screen, but I can see it on my phone. So that's pretty much 0.6 ounces. And I have a big box here. Ooh, that you can see 1 pound, 5.7 ounces. I know it's a scale food, but I use it to weight my items that I'm about to send. So that's 3.1 ounces plus the box. So I'm going to change the unit here in grams, but I want it in ounces only. So that's 3.1 ounces plus the box is about pretty much 4 ounces. If you are interested, this nice unit, you can get it. Click the link in the description so you can buy it there. I'm going to show you how sensitive this thing is. Look, just with the wind. Pretty awesome. So that you can keep track of your portions. I'm impressed. Look at this. Not very easy to impress, but this impresses me a lot. Look at that. Very sensitive. I'm gonna blow it. Wow! Just the blow. Check again. Wow! Very sensitive. And from the same app, you can get you can add breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, so you can keep track of what you eat. Then you can keep track also the calories, protein, fat, and everything every single day. So there's the months. Also, there's very good receipts straight from the app, and I haven't added my receipts on anything. But other than that, everything is really nice scale. Look again. I like how sensitive this thing is. I'm gonna blow it again. Wow, very sensitive. Remember, link in the description.